Michael Norman is an American sprinter. Norman was born to an American father and a Japanese mother in San Diego, California. Michael Norman made his pro debut on June 30, 2018 at the 2018 IAAF Diamond League in Paris, winning the 200 meter in a personal best time of 19.84 seconds. Ahead of his USC teammate, Rai Benjamin, who finished second in 19.99 seconds. In 2016, he became the World Junior Champion in both the 200 meters and 4 into 100 meter relay. Norman has won numerous awards, including the Gatorade Player of the Year awards for track and field in both 2015 and 2016 and the Bowerman in 2018. Norman graduated from the University of Southern California in May 2019 and currently competes professionally for Nike under his college coaches Quincy Wirtz and Carol Smith Gilbert. A four-time NCAA champion, Norman set or helped set collegiate records in every NCAA final he ran in 2018. On March 10, 2018, Norman competed at the NCAA Division I Indoor Track and Field Championships and ran an American and collegiate record in the 400 meters with a world best time of 44.52 seconds. Later that day, he along with the rest of the USC Trojans 4 into 400 meter relay team broke the American and collegiate record in a world best time of 3 minutes 00.77 seconds. Both of the 400 meters and 4 into 400 meter relay performances were faster than the official world records. On June 8, 2018, Norman ran a 2018 world-leading time in the 400 meters with a time of 43.61 seconds at the NCAA Division I Outdoor Track and Field Championships. This time ranked him as the 6th fastest 400-meter runner in history. To cap off his collegiate career, Norman was named winner of the Bowerman for the 2018 track and field season. He was the first USC Trojan to win the award. His teammate Rai Benjamin was also one of the 3 finalists. On June 30, 2015, Norman was named the Gatorade Player of the Year for his achievements in track and field. He is only the 28th non-senior to win the Gatorade Player of the Year award in the 30-year history of the program across all sports and the first male sprinter to win the honor as a non-senior. On June 13, 2015, Norman competed in the Adidas Dream 100 meters at the Adidas Grand Prix at Icon Stadium. With this being his first competitive race in the 100 meters, Norman shocked some of the most talented US high school 100-meter runners by winning the race in 10.36 seconds. On June 27, 2015, Norman set a California state record in the 200 meters at the 2015 USA Junior Outdoor Track and Field Championships at Hayward Field by running 20.24 seconds and in doing so equaled the #5 all-time mark for US high school athletes in the event. This race also ranked Norman #8 all-time on the US Junior Under-20 list and #10 all-time on the World Junior list. On June 6, 2015, Norman had arguably one of the most impressive one-day performances by a high school athlete. Norman ran 7 races within 28 hours at the TIFF California State Meet and still produced some of the top marks in the history of high school athletics.